Good morning, everybody. Say good morning to all the people, Budge. You gonna say good morning to them? Can you see them in there? You can? Marvellous. Alright, today everybody, today is Monday, I think. I believe it's Monday anyway. We'll go with Monday. Today, with Budge's help, if he hangs around, there we go. With Budge's help, if he hangs around, we're going to be servicing the generators, all three of them. We're going to be doing this one here that runs our house. Going to get the air filter cleaned, engine oil changed, that sort of thing. This one here is getting the just an oil change and the air filter cleaned. This is a brand new one. It has been run. So what I've got to do is I've got to run all of these and get the oils warmed in them and then change the oils. The oils I will be using is premium mineral oil, 10W30 Penrite, and the additive that I will be putting in is Nylon Pro Strength. That's long-term anti-wear. Look, I've used this in its forms. It used to come in little tiny plastic containers and it was like syrup. It's full of PTFE and it really is good and stops engine wear in your engines. Come on, Budge, behave yourself. Okay, now as you'll see in the next clip, the electrician was here and Budge got to meet him, didn't you, mate? Yeah, he flew right up to the electrician and said hello. Yeah, you did. All right. And for those that you're looking for a good electrician in the south west down here, there he is there. Highly recommend him. All right, so this cabinet is now finished. And like I told you last time, I've got a surprise coming for you, so we won't be looking in this cabinet again until everything's here and it's all installed into the 5 kilowatt cabinet. All right, so yeah, Wesley's a great bloke. Okay, he really knows all the regulations. He doesn't pretend to know them like some of the so-called solar people that came to visit me. This man knows the regulations for both on-grid solar and off-grid solar. All the other ones that came here did not know anything at all. As a matter of fact, they told me pork pies. Because I know just about all the regulations as well, even the updated ones. All right, look, enjoy the video. The electrician's electrical clip is next. And yeah, I'm just going to continue doing the yearly service on these and getting them ready. It's no good having generators, people, if you don't service them and you don't have them ready for instant operation. Okay, whether you're on grid, off grid, grid backup, whatever, always have a generator ready. And now the Budgy is saying goodbye to you all by sitting on my head. Come on, mate. There we go. He's quite the clown, is this little bird, aren't you? You're quite the clown. Yeah. All right. Keep safe, everyone. Please enjoy the rest of the video clips, and I shall inform you when we get this 5 kilowatt cabinet all fully installed. That's the next time you're going to see in that cabinet. It's a surprise. I could give you a sneak peek right now, but it's not ready. It's just not ready. Alright, bye for now. Good morning everybody, how you going today? Got some news for you, and it's a lovely day. We got Wesley here. How you going, Wesley?
Good, mate. Yourself?
This is the electrician that's done all the work on my systems. Is highly recommended. Give yourself a what's the name of your company, Wesley, and where can they contact you?
So my company is West Surge Electrical and Solar Solutions. So they can either look me on the web or get in contact with you, or they can
leave a message under the video and I can give you his phone number, his mobile. Alright, no worries. So he's here today fixing the wires, the solar wires, and he's wiring in this new DJI 5 kilowatt system hybrid here for some testing, so that'll be fun. But thanks for coming, mate. And by the way, he's not free, people, okay? He costs a bit more, but he does a great job and I highly recommend him. Alright, I'll show you the job when he's finished.